Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down almost to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and here we've got two different options which are connected with resetting the network preferences, so mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Basically it works the same, just tap on the option and tap on Reset. And here we've got the information. The same with mobile network settings, you can decide whether you would like to remove eSIMs, tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock, tap on Reset Settings, and here we've got the information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.